백미러가 접히지 않습니다. 수리할 수 있을까요?
물론이죠. 한번 살펴보겠습니다. 오늘 소개드릴 영상은 레인지로버 사이드미러 교체 작업 영상입니다. 그럼 보시죠.
Firstly, on the top of the door card, there's this panel you need to remove. Okay, so just remove that with a trim remover, and you can see in there is a Torx bolt. Secondly, this panel here, this needs to be removed. Give it a tug here, and it will come off. In there, you can see another Torx. These are T30s. Two of those there. Okay, so let's remove those. So just remove those two screws from there. You might need a magnet to get this one out. It's hard to get your hand in there. Up underneath the door card, there's a T20 Torx. T20 Torx. There you go. Put off. Right. To get this surround off, the mirror, this just pulls off. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, you just need to pull that wire out there of the plug. Okay, that's the tweeter. And then this plug here is for the mirror. So just pull up that red catch. Just push this tab in. That lifts up. Okay. And then this surround can come out. This is just held in to the window frame. don't need to take it all off because there is the 3 bolts holding the mirror, and they look like T30s as well. So we'll just quickly undo those. Now we just need to push this connector through that hole, this hole, and then we can take the mirror off. Tease this bit off, and then connector. Voila, one mirror. So here's the replacement mirror. Just push the connector through the hole. Mirror on. It's got a bit of lip here, so make sure that goes underneath, like that. See this lip? Little lip goes on there, just holds it in place. So let's go and put the bolts in.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드려요. 안녕.